Understanding, Run the Gamut, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of English idioms, focusing on the phrase, run the gamut. Idioms are an essential part of mastering a language, as they add color and depth to our conversations. So, if you're ready to expand your English vocabulary and sound more like a native speaker, let's get started. The phrase, run the gamut, is an idiom that means to experience, display, or include a wide range of things. Originally coming from the musical term, gamut, which referred to the full scale of notes, this expression has evolved to indicate experiencing a full range of possibilities, emotions, or options. For example, if someone says, her emotions ran the gamut from joy to despair, it means she experienced everything from extreme happiness to deep sadness. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help us remember them better. Run the gamut originated in the music world. The term gamut in medieval music referred to a scale that encompassed all notes. Over time, this musical term transformed into a metaphor for experiencing or covering a complete range or scope in other contexts. This transformation showcases the dynamic and evolving nature of language. Using run the gamut correctly in conversations can greatly enhance your expressive ability in English. Here are some examples. 1. Emotions. During the movie, I ran the gamut of emotions, from laughter to tears. 2. Options. The restaurant's menu runs the gamut from simple sandwiches to gourmet meals. 3. Experiences. His career ran the gamut from being a junior employee to the CEO of the company. Remember, the phrase is often used to emphasize the diversity or completeness of a range in various contexts. When using run the gamut, avoid these common mistakes. Don't use it to describe a limited range. It always implies a wide or complete spectrum. It's usually used metaphorically, so avoid using it in a literal sense. I hope this video has helped you understand and feel more confident using the phrase, run the gamut, in your English conversations. Remember, idioms like this one can really enrich your language skills and help you sound more like a native speaker. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more English language learning tips.